Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into QuickBooks Online for insurance claim bookkeeping easy tutorial step by step clearly. To log into QuickBooks Online for insurance claim bookkeeping, start by opening a web browser on your computer or device. In the address bar, type in the URL for QuickBooks Online, which is quickbooks.intuit.com. Press enter to navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Sign In button. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your login credentials. In the first field, input the email address associated with your QuickBooks Online account. Next, enter your password in the provided field. Double-check your entries for typos, as incorrect information will prevent you from logging in. If you want the system to remember your credentials for future logins, you can check the Keep Me Signed In option. Once all information is entered correctly, click on the Sign In button. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process, depending on your account settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this verification, if necessary. After successful login, you will land on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, you can easily navigate to your bookkeeping tasks related to insurance claims. Familiarize yourself with the layout to find the features you will frequently use. Now you are ready to manage your insurance claim bookkeeping effectively in QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.